Hello guys, in this video I am going to explain how you can put some formatting to the cells of the Excel file or the Google Sheet. So over here in the Google Sheet, if you just select this table or the complete table around which you need to put a boundary or you need to put a formatting, then you select the cell, simply select any one cell, and then if you drag this, then by dragging you can select the multiple cells at the same time. Now if you click at this A, over there you this will pop up two type of formatting. First is related to text, another is related to cell. If you select cell, then it will list out some of the formatting that you can do to the cell. The first one is the fill color. In the fill color, this fill color help you to fill the color within the cell, right? So you can see any color you can put, and if you click on the reset, then it will the original color of the cell will come back. Right now, the second option, it is the conditional formatting. I am going to discuss this in detail in another lecture. So next is alternating current. Now alternating current, as you can see over here, like we have the alternating, that the top row means the headings, it will be with one color, and then the different rows, they will be having a different colors. So like for example, if I select this, so you can see top heading one has the dark red, but then white, then light red, then white, and so on. So alternating colors will be there. So let me remove it. Then again, if I go back to the cell settings, then the next is the border. Now in the border, with border, I can select, like if I select this, then it creates the boundary around each cell. You can see boundary is created. If I select the last option over here, it will remove the boundary. You will see that when I click select this option, then black lines will disappear, right? Appear, disappear. And similarly, if I select this one, second one, then it is going to create a boundary only at the edge of the table. Means it is this does not have any boundary, this cell does not have any boundary, black boundary, but the complete table has a boundary. This complete table that we have selected, it has a boundary, right? So in this way, depending on where we want to put a black boundary, we can select any of this option. If I select this option, like if I remove all the boundaries, and now if I select this, then it is going to put a line in the horizontal side. So like you can see, there is only a single black line over here in between the fourth and the fifth row, because I have selected the table. Right now, again going back to the cell and the border, over there we can select the style, like whether I want a thin line or the thick line or this one or the dashed line. So different options are there. So if I select this thick one, now coming back, I have selected this, so you can see the black dark line, thick line is appearing. If I select this, you can see the black lines now, right? If I select this, if I select, then it is for the vertical line, this is for the horizontal line, this is for, like, one line will appear only towards the left side of the table, of this complete table. This will create a one single black vertical line towards the right side of the table. This one black line at the top of the table, one black line at the bottom, right? So with border style, we can select what type of boundary we want, right? Then we have the border color. So with this, we can also select the color. Like if I want say green, then you can see green line is appearing, right? So if I again go back to the cell and border, if I select this as this, then you can see we have a just a minute. So cell border, yes. So over here you can see that we have a dark green line, right? So in this way we can do the setting of the cell, that how, what appearance of the cell should be there. Now the next is the wrap text. Now what this wrap text means, like suppose if I put something over here, like let me randomly put something, and now you can see whatever I have written, it goes beyond, like it is coming, it goes towards the D and E cell, D and E column, means it is coming over here, it is coming over here, but actually I have written only in this cell. Okay, the next cells you can see over here, it is empty, right? If I put something over here like this, or let me put my name, Nishant Jen. So you can see this cell, it is overfilled, and the characters or the alphabets, some of the alphabets, they are not visible. Now if I now go to the setting of the cell, and over there if I put enable this wrapped text, so you can see now all the text is appearing, means the text is not going to hide at the back of another cell. So wrapped text means that all the alphabets, all the word text that we have written in the cell, they will appear. And as we are going to put more and more text, then it is going to, the cell size is going to expand, right, towards the bottom side. So this is our wrap text. Now going to the next one. Next is the merge cell. What merge cell means, like if I select two columns, two cells, now if I go to the cell, then you can see now the merge cell option is enabled. So if I select this, so it is going to, like you can see now both this cell, this C and D, now they becomes a single cell. So over here merge means that I have merged these two cells, C6 and D6. Sixth, we are in the sixth row, right? So this C6 and D6, this cell I have merged to make them as one, right? So this is about the merging. If I want to demerge it, then simply I will disable it, and you can see now it is demerged. Now they are separate one. Now again if I go back to the cell, the next is the number formatting. Number formatting, like we have different options to select whether we want to display the number in the form of plain text, or in this number form, or in this percentage form, or in this scientific form. So this we can do with the help of this. So this I am going to describe more in details in the next lecture. So stay tuned with me. Do subscribe my channel and share this video with your friends and colleagues. Thank you.